Good afternoon, students. I hope you are all well. Please take care of your health. Dear children, today we are going to discuss about a poem written by Rudyard Kipling. The poet of this poem is Rudyard Kipling. So before going to start the poem, let us see something about the poet. The poet Rudyard Kipling was born on 1865 and he was died 1936. So in this period, he was lived in this earth. Rudyard Kipling is an Indian-born British novelist. So basically, he was born in India, but he stayed in Britain, and he was a novelist. Novels ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾದಂಬರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ and short story writer. So Rudyard Kipling is not only a novelist, he was also a short story writer. ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇವರು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ and poet. He was also a poet. ಕವಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. He was brought up in England. So Rudyard Kipling was born in India, but he was brought up in England or Britain, but came back to India and worked as a journalist. So he was born in India and brought up in England, but after that also he came back to India. Where he was born, he came back to India and he worked as a journalist in India. ಇವರು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಪುನಃ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಜರ್ನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮಿಯಾಗಿ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರಾಗಿ ಇವರು ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. His famous works are Barack Rome Ballads. So his famous works, Barack B-A-R-R-A-C-K, Barack Rome Ballads. Barack Rome Ballads. Barack Rome Ballads. Kim, Captain Courageous. Captain Courageous. Captain Courageous. So these are his famous works, and his books, just 50 stories and Book of Pook's Hill, are very popular. So he has also written some books. In those books, just 50 stories and Book of Pook's Hill. These are two famous books he has written. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907. So, in 1907, Nobel Prize So he was awarded Nobel Prize on 1907. So this is a brief introduction about the poet Rudyard Kipling. ಇದು ಈ ರುಡ್ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾದ ಪರಿಚಯ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕೃತಿಗಳು ವಾಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ born, England brought up poet, and he came back to India and he worked as a journalist in India. His famous work are Barack Roan Ballads, Kim, Captain Courageous, and for his work he was awarded Nobel Prize in 1907. 1907 ಇವರಿಗೆ ನೋಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, this is about the poet. Okay children? Okay. Next, let's move on to the poem. That in this poem, the poet is telling us about the how machines have been made and how and what are for what purpose the machines are using, what are their works and how it has works, and if we made mistake to handling them, what was the result of that? So these are the things how we discussing in this poem. Machine is a device that amplifies. So what is machine then? What is machine means? Machine means, shall I write this? So machine means it's a device what is a machine? Means a device that amplifies or replaces human or animal effort to accomplish a physical task. That is called machine. So what is machine means? A device. Machine is a device that amplifies or replaces human or animal effort to accomplish a physical task. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸದ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮಷೀನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ this poem is an imagined to be recited by a machine. It draws our attention to their gain strength as well as their limitations. So Rudyard Kipling imagined that machine is itself telling about itself. Machine telling about itself. It it explains the how it has been made, for what are the works it has been put to do, and how it works. All the things explained by machine himself only. The poem, it deals with the modern technology, problem of modern technology and machines. So before the industrial revolution, so all the works are done by the human beings only, or the using animals. But after the industrial revolution, the machines are invented and they are put to work in place of human and animal. So here, there are first 5 simple machines are there. So by these 5 simple machines only, the other big machines have been made. That are the lever, the wedge, the wheel, and axle, the pulley, and the screw. And all complex machines are combination of these devices. So we can see so many big machines, but those big complex machines are made by these simple machines, that are lever, wheel, wedge, axe, pulley, and screw. The operation of a machine may involve the transportation of chemical, thermal, electrical, or nuclear energy into mechanical energy, or vice versa. So there will be machines needs a power. If it has to work, means it needs a power, whether it may be electrical power, whether it may be thermal, whether it may be nuclear, what type of energy it needs, that we have to supply the power for that. So here, Rudyard Kipling, he is explaining about the machine. So first I will read the poem, then I will explain the poem through each stanzas. Dear students, please open your book, page number 135, and observe my reading and follow the pronunciations. Machine. We were taken from the orbit and mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. We were cut and filled and tooled and gauged to fit. Some water, coal and oil, all we ask, and thousands of the range to give us play. And now if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 4 and 20 hours a day. We can pull and hold and push and lift and drive. We can print and plug and weave and eat and light. We can run and jump and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. But remember, please, the law by which we live, we are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handing this, you die. Through our smoke may hide the heavens from our eyes. It will vanish and the stars will shine again. because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your bride. Okay, once again I will read the poem. We were taken from the orbit and mine. We were melted in the furnace and the fate. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. We were cut and filed and tooled and gazed to pitch. Some water, coal and oil all we asked, and thousands of an inch to give us play. And now if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 24 hours a day. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. We can paint and plug and weave and heat and light. We can run and jump and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a life. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from our eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your bride. Okay, I will explain that. First stanza. We were taken from the orbit and mind. So in the first stanza, the poet Rudyard Kipling is telling us about how the machines have been made. What was the process of making machine? That how the machines have been produced. So that initially the metallic or mineral ore is dug out from the earth. So before going to the process of making machine, the production of the machine is started by take out the mineral or the metallic from digging or digging the earth. ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಹದಿರನ್ನ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಹಗಿದು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. So that is what that metallic or the mineral are dug out from the earth. First process it is. That's why it's taking. We were taken from the orbit and mine. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಹಗಿದು ತೆಗೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. It means to say that the metallic or the minerals were dug out from the earth. So what is the second process? We were melted in the furnace and the pit. Then it is melted in the furnace. They will heat. So we dug out that metallic or minerals and we will furnace it in the pit, melted in furnace. So ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಹದಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಯಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. They will melt. So here some difficult words are there. Orbit means, shall I learn this? Okay. So I will write the meanings of the difficult words on the blackboard. Each one we have to write. Take down the first one is orbit. Orbit means rock metals are mined from the ore bed. From the ore bed. Melt means to become or make something, to become or make something, to become or make something become liquid as a become liquid as a result of heating, as a result of heating. So here the process of making machine, that first we have to dug out the minerals or the metallic from the earth and we will melt it in the furnace and which it is molded and brought to the required shape by hammer. So here we are cast and wrought and hammer to design. So after melting that metallic, we will mold it and brought to the required shape by hammer. So what was the shape we need? What type of shape we need? By hammering that, we will make that metallic in the shape. ಆ ಕಾಯಿಸಿದ ನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಡಿಯುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಆಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ತಂದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. So what type of design we need, we make it by hammering that metallic. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಯಿಸಿ ಸುತ್ತಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಶೇಪ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. We were cut and filed and tooled and gauged. So it is measured, cut and filled and made in to machine. It is measured, cut and filled and made in to machine. So after that, after hammering that, we will cut that iron rod or iron sheet and fill it and tool it and gauge it to fit. We will measure it. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಅಳತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೈಜ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಷೀನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So how the machine has been made? We will dug out the metallic or minerals from the earth and we will furnace it in the pit. We will heat it and we will hammer it and make it the required design and then we will cut it and make it a machine. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಹದಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಯಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಆನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಆಕೃತಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಆನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಷೀನನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is the first standard, our first standard. Second, some water, coal and oil all gas and thousands of an inch to give us play. And now if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 24 hours a day. So after that, there was various types of machines which can do various tasks. So there are so many types of machines are there, various types of machines are there, and we will put them to do various types of tasks or the work. ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಮಷಿನ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಮಷಿನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ it needs water, coal and oil. So how machines are works? ಮಷಿನ್ಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? So we are make machine and we put it for task. So to do the task it needs some water, coal and oil. ಮಷಿನ್ಗಳು, ಯಂತ್ರಗಳು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ನೀರು ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹದಿರು ಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಲು ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಬೇಕು. Whether it may be petrol or diesel or like that. Then only it will work. So once the machines are set to work, so once the machines are made and it has been set for work, that it will do the work all day. Machines can do the work correctly, whatever may be it assigned to do it. So here some water, coal or oil all we ask, and thousands of an inch to give us flame. So after preparing or after making or after producing the machine, we will set it for doing task, and we will also supply the coal, water and oil. So if once it has been set for work, it will work continuously. It will work 24 hours in a day. So that type of setup is there. That's why it is telling us. And now if you will set us for your task, we will serve you for 4 and 20 hours a day. So the whole day. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. Very good. So after setting it for task, it will work continuously. It will work restlessly. So human being can work like that? No. We need some rest. We can't work 24 hours. But these machines will work 24 hours in a day. So what are the tasks they are doing? That we can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. So through the machine we can pull, it can haul, it can push, it can lift, it can drive. ಚಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತುತ್ತೆ, ತಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So you can observe the JCBs, Hitachis. Now we are using. And we can print and plug and weave and eat and lie. ಬೆಳಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಷಿನ್, ನೆಲವನ್ನು ಹಗಿತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಷಿನ್, ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಷಿನ್. You can see the printers, the Xerox machines. So these are the things, these are the works we can do through machines. We can run and jump and swim and fly and dive. So through the machine we can run, we can jump, we can swim, fly, and so these type of, and we can see and hear and count and read and write. So machines can do the work correctly. So it can pull and push, lift and drive. It can also print. So what are the tasks they can do is, machines can pull, machines can haul, machines can lift, push, drive, print, plug, weave, heat, light, jump, swim, fly, dive, hear, count, read, write. So these are there is no work which machine cannot do. So every work that machines are being designed to do. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಷೀನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಬರೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೆನ್ ಮಷೀನ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮಷೀನ್ಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ in the fourth stanza, the poet is telling us about we should be careful about handling machines. ನಾವು ಮಷೀನ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಗರೂಕರಾಗಿರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, please, the law by which we live, we are not built to comprehend lie. So machines cannot say lie. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಸುಳ್ಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. So machines cannot love anybody nor pity. They have no pity about anybody and they can't forgive. ಮಷೀನ್ಗಳು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಯು ಡೈ. ಆದರೆ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಜಾಗರೂಕರಾದರೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಮರೆತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ whenever we are using machines, we should be very careful. We should not be lazy in handling machines. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from our eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your pride. So the fog that released from the industries, the machines, it will spread in the sky. So because of that fog, it seems that all the stars are hidden, but it was not permanent. After that it will vanish and the stars will shine again. ಮಷೀನ್ಗಳು ಬಿಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೊಗೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಮರೆಯಾದಂತೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಕೃತಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೆಲವೇ ನಿಮಿಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಗೆ ಸರಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ಹೊಡಿತಾವೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೈಜ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಭಾರದಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಗಾತ್ರದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. We are nothing more than children of our time. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆದುಳಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. So these are machines are created and made by the human beings only, so that we can control these machines. So this is the poem of the Rudyard Kipling, the machine. Okay. So the poem has been completed here. I will give the homework for this poem. Shall I write this? Take the homework. What do simple machines need to start? What do simple machines to start. Need to start working. Second question. How are the machines? How are the machines? How are the machines and human beings and human beings different? So these are the two questions I am giving you for your homework. I hope you have all enjoyed the poem very much and understand the poem very much. If you have any doubts, you please send it on the WhatsApp group. I will I will solve your doubts. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.